Ukraine's Operation Spider's Web wasn't just a drone strike, it was a Trojan horse attack that's redrawing the rules of modern warfare. Ukraine used drones which they smuggled into Russia, smuggled FPV drones and wooden launch cabins that were hidden inside trucks taken into Russia. Ukraine really pulled off its most audacious mission yet against Russia, striking 5 Russian air bases up to 4,000 kilometers from the front lines. The drones took off from within Russian territory, their launch cabins remotely triggered, targeting strategic bombers with pinpoint precision. In fact, Zelensky calls this the most brilliant strike. And here's why we agree with Zelensky. When he calls this the most brilliant strike that has really changed the battle game, let me take you through why we could corroborate that. Well, yes, this is possibly the deepest strike in the war so far. Ukraine has hit air bases of Russia, thousands of kilometers inside Russia. And number 2, aerial ambush using Trojan tactics. Drones were smuggled in disguised trucks, launched from cabins with remote opening roofs, catching Russian defenses completely off guard. And number 3, Ukraine has managed to actually hit 41 of its aircrafts in Russia, including strategic bombers, Tu-95s, and an A-50 radar jet reportedly downed, crippling Russia's long-range offensive capability. Number 4, Ukraine actually managed to pull this off after intense planning. They've actually planned this attack 18 months in advance. This covert operation that's paid off quite clearly for them. One of the most meticulously planned raids in modern military history. Ukraine has really shown how it's done. And finally, drones that really rewrite deterrence and defense models. It's not just about firepower anymore, it's mobility, disguise, timing, and now that's what is exactly reshaping the battlefield doctrine. And those are the drones used by Ukraine, which has reshaped the entire battle game.
Greetings, dear Ukrainian men and women. I just heard the report by Chief of Security Service of Ukraine, Vasyl Malyuka. A brilliant operation was conducted on the enemy's territory, exclusively against military targets, against equipment that was used to deliver strikes at Ukraine. Very tangible losses by Russia, and absolutely just losses which they deserved.
Справедливі, заслужені їхні втрати.